Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making a super comforting dish, potato mashed noodles. Just look at this, soft noodles coated with creamy, savory potato sauce. It smells amazing and looks so satisfying. Alright, let's get started. First, I'm cutting some potatoes into rough chunks. No need to be too perfect here. Then a bit of pork belly, finely chopped. For aromatics, I've got some cilantro leaves, green onions, minced garlic, and a green chili diced up. I've got a wok of water boiling here. Add a teaspoon of salt. Then in go the noodles. Boil the noodles for about 3 to 4 minutes after the water comes back to a boil. Then lift them out and give them a quick dip in cold water. Next, heat some oil in the wok. Once it's hot, in goes the pork belly. Stir fry until it releases some fat. Then add the potato chunks. Cook them until the raw smell is gone. Now add 1 tablespoon of soybean paste. Give it a stir until it's fragrant. Then pour in about 1.5 tablespoons of cooking wine, 1.5 tablespoons of light soy sauce, and half a tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Mix everything together well. Add just enough hot water to cover the potatoes, along with 2 teaspoons of MSG. Leave the lid open and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Then cover the wok and simmer on low heat for about 20 minutes. Let's check with the spatula. See that? The potatoes are super soft now. They are breaking apart easily. That's exactly what we want. Perfect. Let's mash them right in the wok with a spatula. Once they are all mashed up, sprinkle in the green onion, garlic, chili, and cilantro. Give everything a good stir. Now toss the noodles back in. Mix until they are all coated with that creamy potato sauce. And we are done. Look at this. A bowl of noodles that's rich, saucy, and smells incredible. This is pure comfort food. It's going to make anyone who eats it feel so satisfied. Okay, I can't wait any longer. Let's try it. Wow, the noodles are chewy and smooth, and the potato mash sauce is just unbelievably flavorful. Honestly, I don't think anyone can resist this. You should definitely give it a try at home. Thanks for watching. See you next time!